Hey guys, Miss Charlie here with letter B for an A to Z collab. I started this with Miss Andy. We did A last month and we were going to do this collab through the alphabet, but unfortunately Miss Andy has a lot going on in her life at this time, some personal, she works, she has other collabs that she's also had already scheduled, and this collab would be a lot because we're going through all of our eyeshadow palettes, doing a look with each one alphabetically. So we did do A, we got the chance to do that, and I will link her video and my video using palettes in our collection that begin with the letter A. But since she can't continue with our collab, and I was the one who presented the collab to her, then I'm gonna go ahead and continue it. So if anyone wants to join this collab, let me know, that would be great. If you wanna do a look with palettes in your collection alphabetically, let me know, that would be great. I would love for you to join this collab. It's gonna be a long one. We were gonna do it once a month, but I think since I'm gonna continue it, I'm gonna do it maybe every couple of weeks because the alphabet is long. And if I have an eyeshadow palette that doesn't begin with that particular letter, what she had suggested in her video is to use singles that have those same, that start with that letter. So some of them will be kind of hit or miss, like Z. I don't know if I have any colors that begin with Z. I don't know have any palettes that begin with Z, but I don't know if I have any singles. I'll have to go through them and look, but we'll have to figure that out as we go. But I do have a lot of singles, so I can do that, but Z I don't think I do. But we'll get to that, that's at the end. But I wanted to go ahead and continue the collab. Again, if you want to join the collab with me and do a look alphabetically, again, tag me, let me know. That would be fun, but I'm gonna go ahead and just continue it. So we're doing B's today, and I have several B palettes in my collection. I have Blend Bunny, Blink, Bella Beauty Bar, of course BH, Beauty Bay, Blend Bunny, Buxom. So I had quite a few. So what I chose was the Primal palette from Blend Bunny, which I just got this year and I love it. And then the old palette from Beauty Bay with Nikki Tutorials. So my strategy today is pink and green. So I got my pink band on with green clips, and I have on a shirt that has pink and gray on it, but I wanted to do pink and green. So in the palette for the Nikki palette, I'll show it to you here. This is what she looks like. It has a mirror on each side because you open it like this if you've never seen it. But this color here, which is called Pride, it's like a pink, but it's got other colors in it too, and it's really shiny. The shimmers in the Beauty Bay palettes are really, really, really nice. So that's, you can see what that looks like there. It's really shiny. Swatch it for you. Got a little bit of a duochrome, a little bit of green shift, but it's really, really pretty. So I'm gonna use that on as my cut crease. And then for the Blend Bunny, and this is my first Blend Bunny palette, and that's the Primal. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It does not have a mirror, but this is what it looks like, and it has a black and a white at the bottom. The top are more pastels. They look white on my skin tone. I've used a few of them and they still look white on me, but I still use them, but I'm gonna use this green here, which is really, really gorgeous. It's called Camouflage, and I'm probably gonna use this one here, which is called Toxin. And yeah, so we're gonna go with green and pink today. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So first I'm gonna prime my lids. I'm gonna do one lid, one at a time. And this is the base from the Beauty Crop I got this in BoxyCharm. Excuse my nail. I need to redo them for Christmas. I will be doing that soon. And these are my Thanksgiving nails. It's about time to get them to do them. And I like this base because you only need a little bit. It only comes in one color. It doesn't have a color on it. It just says base. And it's nice. It's not dry and it's not too wet, which I enjoy from a eye primer. So I blended that out, and now I'm gonna go into Camouflage, which is this beautiful dark green. Let me get a bunch on my brush. And then I'm gonna go into bring it in a little bit. So I'm gonna go into the outer corner and just bring it out. I do my makeup like this all the time. And I'm just patting it in. You pat it in first and then blend. And then I'm gonna bring it over across the top of my crease, because this is my crease right here. And if I put things down here, you're not gonna see it. So I always make sure I come above my crease so you're able to see the color. And then I bring the cut crease up there as well so you can see it better. And now I'm blending this over. A little bit more. Pat first to place the product. And then blend. And I guess I had some glitter from that shadow on my finger, because now I got glitter all around my eyeball, but that's okay. All right. Now I'm gonna go into Toxin, and I'm gonna blend out the edge with that. Press it in, and then blend. Okay, now I'm gonna go into Luna, which is a really light green. And it looks white, but it's a very pastel green. And I'm gonna use that on my brow bone. And then you can go back in with the other colors and for your gradient, but you're just doing it from light to dark. For my cut crease, I'm gonna use a base, and I'm gonna use this Flower Beauty Cream Shadow in Lilac You a Lot. I got this from the dollar store. And it's just a really light pink. I use this as bases for my powders and shimmers and duochromes and whatnot. So I'm gonna take some of that on a flat brush, and then I'm gonna carve out my crease. And just using the edge of the brush. Following the crease. And just put down a thin base. Just like a template. And you don't need much, you just need enough so you can see where your line is gonna be. And now I'm gonna go into the color Pride in the Beauty Bay palette. And I am gonna spray this, and then I'm gonna put that, you see it's a little crumbly, I'm gonna put that on the lid. And this color is very glittery, but it's really pretty. And I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more camouflage just to blend out this edge. And it's really pretty. You can see how glittery it is. It's so pretty, this color. And that's basically the lid. And then we're going to do the bottom lash line. On the bottom lash line, I'm just going to use this NYX pencil. This is the shimmering eye pencil in, let's see if it'll tell me what the name of it is. It is in green shimmer. I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line. And I always put a base on my bottom, on my lower lash line, because powder doesn't like to stick there. It'll fade. So I put something there so it'll stick to it. And then I'm gonna go in with the green and put that down there. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go back into the Beauty Bay palette, and I'm going to use this color here, which is called Ivy, which is a really light pink. And I went into it and I did spray it. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. I'm gonna bring that up a little bit. And that is basically the look. And I'm gonna come back with liner and mascara and lips and whatnot and talk about these palettes. Okay, so here is my look using the Beauty Bay. Let me get it for you. Hold on a second. The Beauty Bay Nikki Tutorials palette and the Blend Bunny Primal palette. So those were the bees that I used for this pink and green look. And I put on some little earrings I got from eBay, some little watermelons with pink and green on them. My lip is just a clear gloss from Dominique. This is Pink Lemonade. And then I just did a wing and some mascara. Everything that I'm using, there we go, focus. Everything that I'm using on my face is down in the description box, so please check it out. But that's the look, just shimmery pink and green, real simple, colorful look. And again, if you want to join my collab with using palettes that begin with a certain letter of the alphabet, please join. That would be great. But I'm going to continue this. Again, I'm so sorry that Miss Andy can't continue. I hope everything goes well for her, and I hope that we're still able to meet up next month when I'm in Columbus. But I thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Follow me on Instagram, and we will see you in the next video for the letter C.